Look what a kind of seam. Look what a kind of seam. A worker. I'm a welding engineer.
I know.
And when I would train a worker to weld this seam, he would need more over 1 year to make the same with TIG. It's
If you use some others, some gadget or other welding machines, it seems it's not smoothly enough.
No. When you weld with TIG, you know maybe by yourself. It's here in the company. The main problem. You don't need something to clean.
Yeah.
It's ready to bring it in the process. You save a lot of time for special in the tank building industry. You should clean them. You should grind them. You should clean them with chemical products.
I see. The most advantage of a laser welding machine is it's very easy to operate for single person.
Yeah, that's the best thing. You can train your worker to work this in 3 or 4 weeks.
Yeah.
That he will become a little professional. It's good. Let me try other thing.
Okay.
Can you make spot welding?
Sorry?
Can you make me a spot welding? Spot.
点焊
Spot.
点焊 sorry
点焊是吧？
OK。
it's okay.
It's OK。 发黑。
Wow. Awesome. Look.
人家焊工人家懂咱们那个。
点焊能焊到43,000瓦。
你往他上次看那个黄公司那个，太好玩了。它要有。
Can you ask him to make a spot?
你可以给他看一看，
More deeper.
这是双头丝吗？
More
这
deeper.
不是双子，这你们的，这是看到这个口了。
More deeper.
更深一点。
更深一点，点焊的。